Hi, my name is Jacob. I'm a software engineer at Blazity. Today, we'll continue the topic from my previous video, which is image optimization in Next.js, focusing on adapting image sizes for diverse viewports. Serving the right image size to the right device is a key to both performance and user experience, and Next.js gives you powerful tools to do that. In this video, we'll cover techniques for dynamically optimizing image delivery using Next.js image component. You'll learn how to adapt images programmatically so your site looks good and loads fast on every screen. Let's get started. First, let's see what we are working with today. I prepared this very simple digital library collection app in Next.js, and we are going to focus on this image right here. First, let's check the image size to understand the problem. Right now we are on a white screen, and our image size is 90.5 kilobytes, so we are fetching the original size of an image. When we change it to mobile, we can notice that we're actually fetching the same image with the same size, even though we are rendering an image with a width of 272 pixels, which is not very performant because mobile users need to fetch the original size of an image. But we can easily improve it by using image sizes. First, we can prepare our own device sizes. These are viewport with breakpoints, so think of them like 640 pixels for mobile, 1024 for tablets, and 1600 for the larger screen. We don't have to do it because Next.js provides us some default values, but it's good to know that we can change it. And here's the crucial part. Next.js only uses it effectively when we provide sizes prop, and we also replace width and height with a fill prop. So let's focus on the sizes. It actually tells Next.js that for the screens with 768 pixels, this image will use 100% of the viewport. Then for the larger screen, it will use 50% of the viewport. And then for the even larger screen, it will use fixed value of 720 pixels. Now when we check our image again, we can see that we have a different variants of this image in the source set. And also we are using the same image as previously, but when we change it to mobile, we can notice that we are using a smaller variant of this image with only 30.6 kilobytes. That means Next.js serves a different image size for different viewports. That's how we can manage image sizes in Next.js. If you are ready to level up your Next.js performance skills, download the expert guide to Next.js performance optimization, an ebook packed with practical tips for real-world projects. Grab your copy. The link is in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.